Hi Jules, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be trying out the brow stamp. This item was sent to me by Kors. I will be giving my honest review. It comes with the brow stamp, 10 stencils, 5 sizes, and it also comes with the brow brush. I did not use it, but it comes with it. Let's get started. Please keep in mind this is my first time using this item, so the first brow, it was a little rough. Second time around, it goes a little bit smoother. Okay, not bad. I recommend swiping the stamp across rather than dabbing it, because dabbing it to me just creates more work, and it was so easy just to swipe it across the brow. I'm going to create a quick makeup look, about 3 to 5 minutes it will take for the everyday woman that we don't have the time. We have the kids, you know, we just got to get up and go, and we still want to look fabulous. So I do not use any foundation in this look, so this look is very achievable, very easy. I'll have all details below and all items used. If it takes you longer than 5 minutes, it's because, you know, blending takes time. Some people move a little slower than others, and that's fine. 10 minutes is still great time. While I'm blending away, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And while you're at it, hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Don't forget, I will be doing a raffle, I have some wonderful beauty giveaways, so please stay tuned for the videos to come. As you can see, the face is already coming together, and remember, no foundation. No lashes. We already done spent 10 minutes and we gotta go. Mascara and let's go. Now I'm ready to start my day. Now let's get these kids to school. Bye, Jules. Till next time.